In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Verizon router. This is the best way to fix common issues like slow internet, connection drops, or login problems. But remember, resetting your router will erase your all custom settings, like Wi-Fi name and password. You'll need to set it up again using the default details. Now let's start the video. To reset your Verizon router, make sure it is plugged in and powered on. Next, find the reset button. It's usually a small hole labeled reset on the backside of your router. Now, take a paperclip or pin and press the reset button inside the hole for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the router's lights start flashing. That means the reset has started. Wait until the lights stop flashing, then give the router about a minute to reboot. Once it's done, your Verizon router will be restored to factory settings, just like new, and ready to set up again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching.